Hello everybody and welcome back to Gardens and Crystals with me, Wesley Peterson, and today I have another Raiding the Rack video, but this time it's not plants. It's actually what I needed to put under the plants. I went to a charity shop and I found me a load of white pots to put underneath my plants and all sorts of different types, and I'm telling you, what a great place to go and get pots, because you don't need to get anything expensive, they just need to be nice. So I went out and found things like this. Isn't that cute? That's really nice. That would be nice to put, just think of a pothos in this, you know, or a philodendron or anything else. It would look absolutely beautiful in this pot. So, you know, went out and got this pot. It was really, really nice. Didn't cost very much, 45 kronas. And it has a history. It's been somewhere else, but now it's mine. So now I can pot up, well, just put one of my pots in there and it will look really great. Another one I have here. All this paper they come with though. Oh dear. See this shape? Nice, upsat. So I can have something that's cute to go in there. 35 kronas. Very nice, porcelain. Wonderful. And then another one I have here. Same kind of shape as the other one. So I can put kind of matching, different size, but matching pairs. Then I found another little one, just a normal plain white one, but I like white because white in this indoor terrace garden, because it's quite dark, it's quite shady, the white is good because it reflects the light around the room and around the plants. So if you get dark pots, it will stay dark, you know, they're in dark pots, but white ones or light colours reflect the light around, good for the plants, spread the light around. Another little one here. Hexagony. Really cute. Yeah. And one more here. See, you can just get all sorts of different types out there. And the good thing about this that makes me feel really good is that someone has taken these to a charity shop out of their love for giving to others, okay? And then I've gone and bought this, and the money I've given to this charity shop, a lot of that money is going to be going to helping other people. So that makes me feel really, really good because the positive energy is being spread around and shared around. So now these plants are coming into my home and becoming part of my history, and my beautiful plants are going to be in them, and I'm going to just love looking at them. So go out to the charity shops, get yourself some wonderful pots for your plants. I found some really beautiful ceramic ones here as well. Look at this pot. I hope you can see in this light. I mean, look at that patterning on there. Isn't that beautiful? And inside and on the bottom. It's just beautiful. I can see a pothos in here, or some peperonium, or anything, a low-growing plant growing in this, so that you can still see some of the pattern around the edge. That is just a wonderful, different type. Huh? 75 kronas. And remember, I'm talking Swedish kronas, people, so you need to get out there and work it out yourself. You've got your phones, you've got your computers, you can work out what I'm talking about. This was another one in the set, the same set. It's a little, like, soup pot or something like that. Look, take this tag off, don't it? That one. It's like a little soup pot with a lid, with the hole. Look at that. I'm going to use it, of course, without the top on, and look at this patterning around the edge of this. And the little handles. Isn't that just adorable? That's perfect to have a pot standing in. 75 kronas. It was just absolutely beautiful. I just had to take it home. Just like that. So basically, yes, that's what I wanted to show you for this time. I wanted to show you that you can just go out to a charity shop and pick up something that somebody has given to that shop with love, so that they can they don't earn anything when they give to the charity shops. And I'm going to be going back to that charity shop now with some things of my own so that I can get wonderful positive feeling of giving to a company that is going to be giving to others with the money that they receive for these products that other people have used, and they have history, and then they get reused and reloved. Beautiful. Get out there. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please remember to subscribe, and I'll see you in another video soon. Or do you want me to show you a plant in a pot maybe before I go? Let's have a little look. We'll use this one because I think this is just gorgeous, right? Let me see, what have we got? So, when I got me a plant, put it into this pot. Oh, maybe I should put it in a little bit straighter. And look at that. Look at that, people. Absolutely beautiful. Just as easy as that. Now that plant, it looks so well in this little pot that I think I'm just going to have to let it stay in there. So lovely. Oh. Anyway, that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.